What really happened to Noah after the flood in Bible? After the flood ended, when the flood waters went down, Noah, his wife, his 3 sons Shem, Ham, Japheth, and their wives came out of the ark. Genesis 8:18到19. They came out and all the animals came out too. Noah thanked God. The first thing Noah did was worship God. Genesis 8:20. Noah built an altar and offered sacrifices to God. This showed Noah was grateful and honored God. God made a promise, the rainbow. God promised never to destroy the whole earth by flood again. Genesis 9:11到13. God put the rainbow in the sky as a sign of his covenant. Every time we see a rainbow, it reminds us of God's promise. Noah became a farmer. After the flood, the Bible says, Genesis 9:20. Noah began to be a farmer and planted a vineyard.